Hello friends, how are you doing? As always, today's turn, today's objective of this video is to make you all familiar with the writing test in academic IELTS. So you should know the format of the writing test as well. What do we have in the writing format? So before we start preparing for the IELTS writing test, we just have to know the format and then prepare accordingly. So, academic IELTS writing test, not the general IELTS writing test. Though there's not much difference in between these two different kinds of IELTS. So, this category, academic category of IELTS, will be discussed here as always. So, the time allotted for the writing test is 60 minutes, as you can see on the board. So, for those 60 minutes, you are given two tasks to complete. Two tasks, two writing tasks. Task 1 and task 2. So task 1 is a little bit shorter, where you have to describe about the given graph, table, diagram and chart in not less than 150 words. So it'll uh, take about 20 minutes of time for you, but you won't be told to complete it within 20 minutes or something. You have to do it on your own. You have to divide it on your own as per your plan. So second task, T2. In T2 you have to write an essay, and you'll have to follow a guideline given. That will be a response to a point of view, argument or social problem. Either the question will talk about a social problem, or it will argue about something, or will give a point of view in which you have to show your a response. You have to give your opinions in that particular topic. And the word limit is not less than 250 words. So you should practice a lot, so that you should not just go on counting the words. It's not how it works, but you can just find out what is the volume, what is the length, just by looking into the copy when you practice more. So another thing is, what should we focus on? How can we score better in the writing test? So that is the main question. It's not a big thing to know about the format, though it's very much important. What's more important is the tip or the tips to score better in writing part of IELTS. All of us, especially we non-English speakers, those who are from non-English speaking countries, we do have a lot of writing practice. We don't have speaking practice. So it'll be quite easier for us to deal with this part of the IELTS, even if we are not native speakers. Okay. So the basic things, let me tell you, let me make you aware of these things, that so you should follow the formal style of writing. So when does the style become a formal style? You should avoid informality. Okay, so that you have to use passive voice. Always in formal writing, we write in passive voice. We usually don't excuse me, we usually don't just write the simple sentences. We have to try to write complex as well as compound sentences, so that'll create a very good impression upon the certified examiners, because we have to follow their guideline. That's what has been told for IELTS writing test, even by the examiners and the experts. So we should avoid using contractions. Contractions are usually used for speaking, for informal writing only, not in case of IELTS. So we have to try to avoid it as far as possible. Another thing is, we have to use proper linking words. So it's all about explanation, how you organize, how you maintain the coherence, and how you link the words. Those connecting words, linking words, also should be used in an appropriate manner, so that they'll also give you certain points. So you have to always begin with a good sentence. Okay, the beginning should be impressive. That'll create a good impression, and you'll be likely to get good marks, and you'll score as per your target in the writing test of academic IELTS. So hope this information was helpful for you. And later on in other videos, I'll just be telling you how to begin writing. I'll come up with some demo videos as well. So for that, you have to follow me, you have to subscribe my channel, and do support me as you have always been. So thank you for today. All the best.